Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Gonna do a little put together here I bought in Milwaukee. Got the shop vac 6 gallon. Gonna put this bad boy together. I've got the cart here. Let's see. Nice size. Pretty sturdy. And we got the 6 gallon Milwaukee wet dry bag. The model number is 0910-20. Alright. Off the hinges. Got the other hinges. Got the HEPA filter. Decent size unit. Yep. Drops right in there. Latches right here. Hop them right in. See. We got the 1 7/8 wand extensions. I believe this is a 9-foot hose. Yeah, 1 7/8 9-foot hose. It's pretty long. Good. Alright, let's see how this bad boy goes on. This way. No. This way. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Goes on like that. In here. Got the latch right here to detach it. Nice. The hose wires that go back here. Got different sizes. Then you got some more attachments you can put on there. Not bad. You got detach or different kind of heads for these too. This is a single output for a battery. They got one that's for, I think it's 9 gallon and 12 gallon. It's got 2 outputs for batteries. That's nice, more power. Bad boy goes down here. These little notches on each side. You line up with the holes, good to go. There's a little lock, shows you right here. There's lock and an unlock, just twist. That's it. Done. Got some more attachments right here. Got the water, that'll work. That's a question. How to put this back in. So, forget about that right now. Well, let me get a battery. Power this up. Get one of my 12s. Pop it right here. Put that back on there. All right. It's not bad. Got a good suction on there. Yeah, that swing ain't that bad. Put your hose, clamp it in there. You wrap it around, you got a clamp right here too. Clamp your hose, hook it up here. There's a little notch right there. Like I said, you can put different attachments right here. See if I can figure this out. Figure that out later. But there you go. This ain't bad. Ain't bad at all. So I'll check it out when I need to use it and let you know how it is. So other than that, ain't bad. Well, hope you liked the review. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll try to get some more going down the road. Alright, peace out.